Good morning, boys and girls. We are going to go over our alphabet with the sounds and the motions we're learning this year. We're going to go over in order. A. Astronaut. B. Baby. Baby. C. Cactus. D. Dolphin. E. Like you're smiling. Escalator. F. Fountain. Goose. Goose. H. Just push the air out. Helicopter. Like stinky garbage. Igloo. Jaguar. Koala. Hug the koala. Lemon. Ooh. Nest. The tongue goes right behind those front teeth. Nest. Very good. Otter. And the otter slaps its tail back and forth. Otter. Penguin. I'm going to stand up and show you this penguin. Put your hands from side to side. Queen. The Q makes two sounds, the queen. River. Salamander. Salamander slides from side to side. Turtle. And you jump that tongue off your roof of your mouth. Turtle. And in sign language, you make a turtle like this. You put your hand flat, put your other hand on top, and you move your thumbs back and forth, and that's turtle. Turtle. Good job. Your mouth is open. V. The volcano erupts. W. Watermelon. And you're eating your watermelon. X. So you're going to go one arm across and the other arm across, and you're going to say X. It's actually the K and the S together, so it's X. Good job. Y. And you're pushing the yo-yo down. And I want you to look at my mouth. It's closed, and I go Very good. And Z. Just like you're going down the slope. Excellent job. Now we're going to go over some things that might rhyme. Now, if they rhyme, put your hands on your ears. If they don't rhyme, go, okay, ready. Hop, mop. Say it with me. Hop, mop. They do rhyme. Op, op. The op at the end makes it rhyme. Good job. Let's do another one. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Listen. Ran, fan. Say it with me. Ran, fan. They do rhyme. An, and. The an at the end makes them rhyme. Good job. Next one. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Wet, jet. Do it with me. Wet, jet. You're right. The at the end makes them rhyme. Good job. Next one. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Mad dad. Do it with me. Mad dad. You're right. Add at the end makes them rhyme. Next one. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Mouse, house. Do it with me. Mouse, house. One more time. Mouse, house. They do rhyme. What makes them rhyme? Oh, house. You're right. Good job. All right, here we go. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Yum, gum. Do it with me. Yum, gum. Wow, you guys are so smart. Good job. Okay, eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Red bed. Do it with me. Red bed. Red bed. Ed. Wow, you guys are picking up on this really well. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Tall wall. Do it with me. Tall wall. Yes, they rhyme. What makes them rhyme? Tall wall. All at the end. Good job. It sure is. All right, here we go. Next one. Fake snake. Do it with me. Fake snake. They rhyme? They do. You're right. Let's see. Why do they rhyme? Fake snake. Ache. Wow, good job. Put your hand on your back. Say, I'm doing so good. You sure are doing great. Next one. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Zip, lip. Do it with me. Zip, lip. Ip. You're right. Good job. Now we're going to find out the beginning sound in a word. So I want you to put your hand up like this. This is the beginning sound, right? Because it comes at the beginning when you read. All right, we're ready. Ball. Think about that beginning sound. Ball. B. Ball. B is the beginning sound. You're right. Cup. Say it with me. Cup. K. Cup. It is k. Good job. Next one. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Dig. Say it with me. Dig. Dig. D is the beginning sound. D. Dig. Good job. Next one. Fun. Fun. It is. Good job. Good job, Brain. Good job, Brain. Next one. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Gas. Gas. G. Gas. You're right. Good job. Next one. Help. Say it with me. Help. It is that quiet sound. Help. Good job. Next one. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Jump. Say it with me. Jump. Just say it. You can stay in your seat and jump. Just say it. Jump. Jump. J. Very good. J. Jump was at the beginning. Good job. Next word. Kick. What's the word? Kick. What's the beginning sound? Kick. It is k. Good job. Next one. Laugh. Laugh. It is l. Good job. Next word. Me. Me. You're right, it is Good job. Now I'm going to say two words and you're going to put them together. All right, we're ready. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Bathroom. Bathroom. Good job. All right, and you're going to clap when you do it, just like I did. Shall we do that one again? Okay. Bathroom. Do it with me. Bathroom. Good job. Okay, next one. Cardboard. Do it with me. Cardboard. Cardboard. You're right. Okay, next one. Firemen. Do it with me. Firemen. Firemen. Good job. Next word. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Cornbread. One more time. Cornbread. Cornbread. Good job. Next word. Outside. Do it with me. Outside. Outside. We go outside for recess. You're right. Next word. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Sandbox. Do it with me. Sandbox. Sandbox. You're right. Don't let your cat in your sandbox. Next word. Swim suit. Do it with me. Swim suit. You're right. It's swimsuit. Good job. Next word. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Good job. Into. Do it with me. Into. Into. I will put my hand into the cup. Into. Okay, next word. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Black top. You do it with me. Black top. Black top. You're right. That's when you go outside and the cement is black. It's called a black top. Next one. Tea cup. Good job putting your hands out. Do it one more time with me. Tea cup. Teacup. Very good. Mrs. Hamilton collects teacups. All right, next word. Oh, we're going to do the ending sound. Fancy. Ending sound. Oh, it's the last sound you say in the word. All right, we're ready. Job. Do it with me. Job. Oh, is that the end? Wow, you guys are doing great. Next word. Bed. Do it with me. Bed. Boy, it really helps when we do it with our hand, right? Bed. Is that the end? Good job. Next word, life. Say it with me. Life. Life. Yes, it's at the end. Good job. Next word, bug. Say it with me. Bug. G is at the end. I like how you're using your hand to help you. Good job. Next word, eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Page. Say it with me. Page. One more time. Page. J is at the end. Good job using your hand. Next word, book. Say it with me. Book. Book. K is at the end. Good job. And all of you are using your hands. Good job. All right, we're ready. Ball. Say it with me. Ball. One more time. Ball. Ooh, is at the end. Good job. Next word, gum. Gum. Say it with me. Gum. Is at the end. Good job. Next word, can. Say it with me. Can. Can. Is at the end. Good job. Wow, you're doing so good. Tip is the next word. Say it with me. Tip. Tip is at the end. Wow, you guys are doing so good. Put your hand on your back. Say, wow, I'm doing so good. You sure are. Now I'm going to say a word, and you're going to put the word in two separate words. They're compound words. All right, so I'm going to start with my hands together, and you're going to tell me each sound. So your job is to go, okay? Bathtub. bath